In this quick tutorial I will show you how to get from Orgrimmar to Undercity in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, or also known as WoTLK. So the location on the map is that I'm located in Durotar right now, right here on the map, in the front of Orgrimmar. And you have to get on the right side because here you can locate a tower. Let's climb this tower and I will show you which Zeppelin you have to take, and after that I will show you how to get from that Zeppelin to Undercity. So once you'll climb this tower, get up here, but don't get aboard that one, alright? So you'll have to get aboard this one. You'll also notice a goblin who yell that the Zeppelin to Undercity, the Zeppelin for Tirisfal Glades just arrived. So let's climb it and I'll get back to you once I will arrive in Tirisfal Glades in Undercity. Alright, and just like that we arrive right now in Tirisfal Glades. And in Tirisfal Glades you locate right here two towers. So we are right now in Eastern Kingdoms, right here in Tirisfal Glades. You will arrive at the second tower, at this dog. Now you can basically just jump out of this tower. You won't die if you jump carefully. Let's see. Alright, we haven't died. Now, I said the second tower because as you'll go to the Undercity and you look at the towers, you'll see that we just fell from the second tower, and that's the Zeppelin with which we arrived. And now we have to enter the Undercity. Alright, this is the location on the map, and right here we have to get forward because here will arrive an elevator which will get you down. So let's see, right here go left, now right, you will arrive at the throne of Lady Sylvana. Here turn right, and now if you go forward here and forward here, here is the entrance which will descend down to the Undercity. So that's the tutorial how to get from Orgrimmar to Undercity in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, or also known as WoTLK. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye bye.